Hi everyone, welcome to Human Biology. Professor Gustin here. And it looks like you made it to week 13. And this is monumental because it's the last week that we actually have new material. So the week 13, we're going to be talking about anatomy of the urinary, endocrine, and reproductive systems. And you can imagine in a course like this, that's one semester, there's no way to fit in all the body systems or even barely scratch the surface of what's going on in human biology. But what I wanted to do is just give you a little bit more exposure to some anatomy and kind of parts and what they do in the urinary, endocrine, and reproductive systems. So this might help you just in your life in general, when you hear about things about the parts of the human body and what they do, or where something goes wrong. And also if you're taking this course as a prerequisite for another anatomy and physiology course, it will give you a good foundation or a good starting point in these systems, and some of the parts won't sound so odd when you hear it again. So pretty much this week, parts and what they do. So urinary, endocrine, and reproductive systems. I must have just lost my mind when I was making the syllabus, and I realized I had some issues at the end of the syllabus there, and I wanted to make some corrections. So if you pull out your syllabus, it's always nice to write it on your syllabus so you don't have contradicting information between the website and your syllabus. But I just wanted to tell you that the week 14 in your syllabus is wrong. I thought I skipped osmosis, and I didn't. We got it already. So I took that out. I was trying to find a small topic to fit in during that break week, but I'm just going to get rid of that osmosis. And so cross that off. There's no new lab or lecture material in week 14, and you'll see that in the week 14 module when you go there on Brightspace. So no new information in week 14. It's just the beginning of week 14. On Tuesday, the week 13 information material is due, or the assignments are due. Nothing changed about week 13. So no new material in week 14. But what I will do in the week 15 folder, I will post exam number 4 by the start of week 14. So if you want to get exam number 4 out of the way in week 14, you can go right ahead and do that, or you can wait till the end of week 15. Now, if you're looking at your syllabus on week 15, it says that exam number 4 is due Tuesday, November 12th, which is kind of crazy since I'm actually literally making this video on Tuesday, November 12th. And that's way ahead of the time that you will be looking at this. So exam number 4 is actually due on Sunday, December 8th. And I will make sure that's clear in your week 15 module. So exam number 4 is not due Tuesday, November 12th. It's due Sunday, December 8th. Now, the last thing is the final exam will show up in the week 16 folder, and the syllabus is correct. Your syllabus is correct as it stands for week 16. The final exam is due on Thursday, December 12th at 12 noon. I don't want to emphasize that. It's really important. The final exam, not exam 4, but the final exam is due on Thursday, December 12th at 12 noon. That's finals week. And I'll give you a little more information in the next modules about that. But get that on your radar. So that's this video here. So this week we have a lecture study guide, parts and what they do about the urinary, endocrine, and reproductive system. There's some videos. There's a lecture assignment. There's a lab where they do this virtual fetal pig dissection. And you can see fetal pig dissection part 1 and 2 and a lab quiz. So with a couple corrections on your syllabus, otherwise it's a pretty straightforward week and probably one of the easier weeks. So look over that stuff and practice so you're ready for exam number 4, and you guys have a great week.